Hi everyone. Today, 16th day, our challenge.
We speak English.
For 1 minute. And I'm Evgenia.
I'm Sofia.
Today, now, we out construction.
Ghost construction.
See, because we
Shoot at the video
for
for
YouTube.
new set
Yeah,
because our work, our hobbies, not hobbies, our work. DJ.
We are DJ. Yeah,
We do creative new content.
yeah.
Today
You can see watch our video, a lot of video now in our YouTube channel. Yeah, it's
so our
following.
style wearing Adidas.
She likes Adidas. It's
My brand, one favorite.
it's
Not one
it's
favorite, but
your
favorite.
favorite brand. It's windy. It's our friends. Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.